Hello guys, in this video I'm going to answer lots of students question that why my photos are getting rejected in Google My Business. I hope you have created a Google My Business profile, and whenever you are uploading any photographs in the photos section, and you might be experiencing a issue that your photos are getting rejected, then what are the probable reasons why your photos are rejected by Google My Business? First number reason might be your photo is too much blurry, so make sure to upload high resolution photographs and keep it under like 5 MB data size, right? Don't use heavy photographs, right? And make sure that your photos must be of high quality, not blurry, right? And the second probable reason could be you are using photographs that have like too much watermarks, right? Too much logos or too much branding, that again that particular photo is missing the content which is more useful, right? So don't use lots of logos or branding on that particular photograph, right? Third probable reason could be text overlays. You are using too much text overlays, right? Although you can use text overlays, but don't use too much, right? So that it kills the quality content of that particular photograph, right? And apart from that, one more probable reason could be irrelevant photographs are found by the Google. For example, if you are running a tailoring shop and you are just uploading a photograph of swimming pool, then obviously Google will reject that particular photograph. So don't upload irrelevant photographs, right? Apart from that, one more probable reason could be you are uploading content or photograph that is copyrighted. So don't use someone else's photograph and upload it on your Google My Business, right? Apart from it, one more reason could be might be your Google My Business listing is too new, right? Or is penalized. So if you are uploading photograph on Google My Business listing which you have recently created, then I guess you should wait for like 2 weeks, right? And then upload the photographs in that particular listing. So keep patience and wait for that listing to cross the age of at least 2 weeks, right? And if your listing is penalized, or if your listing is restricted by Google and is not publicly visible, might be your listing is not verified, then also you can experience this issue. So these are some issues due to which Google My Business rejects your photographs. So make sure to upload high quality content. Don't use too much watermarks or branding. Don't use copyrighted images, and don't use too much text overlays, right? And wait for at least 2 weeks if your listing is new, and get your listing verified if it is not. So these are some reasons why your photos are getting rejected by Google My Business. Apart from that, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.